Hey, room 57, welcome back. Did you get the problem? I worked on it, so let's see if we get the same answer. The first part was the perimeter or the fencing. How much fencing do I need? And for that, you know that perimeter is just adding all sides of the rectangle. 12 and a half plus 12 and a half plus 8 and a half plus 8 and a half. 12 and a half and 12 and a half is 25. 8 and a half plus 8 and a half is 17. So the perimeter is 42 feet. And that's how long the fencing is. Now the area is a little more difficult. For the area of a rectangle, you know that it's length times the width. So we have to multiply 12 and a half by 8 and a half. And the way I'm gonna do that is by changing these mixed numbers into fractions. And they're gonna be improper fractions. So 12 and a half becomes 2 times 12 is 24 plus 1 is 25 over 2. This fraction becomes 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17 over 2. So now I have to multiply 25 halves times 17 halves. (25 times 17) (1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2) is 425 is the numerator. 2 times 2, that one's easy, 4. This gives me an improper fraction, but I need to know square feet. So I have to divide 425 divided by 4, and that's going to be a long division. Okay, 1 times 4 is 4. I bring down the 2. One number times 4 will give me 2 or almost 2. 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract. Now I bring down the 5. 6 times 4 is 24. Now I can put a decimal. I'm going to make this a 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Five times 4 is 20. 0. So the area of this rectangle is 106.25 square feet. Now, I got another problem. It turns out that I got a little tiny puppy and this play area is way too big for it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna change the measurements. I'm gonna make this half. I'm gonna cut it in half. And I'm gonna cut this in half. So, now I need you to help me. What is the new perimeter of a new play area that is half of this one? See you tomorrow.